doll, please.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a package that has some jewelry in it that I got from my smart dolls. So this package is from Etsy. It's from SmartDollBabyBearCo, who is Red Panda Co on YouTube. All the links will be in the description below. And these are all handmade necklaces, bracelets, and I even bought some of their they've been making eyes lately, and so I think there's some of those in here as well. We have lovely Summer here. She's gonna be modeling all the stuff that I got. So let's take a look at what's inside. Red Panda Co has a really great YouTube channel. They do lots of creative stuff. They do vlogs, they do reviews, unboxings, all kinds of great smart doll content if you're interested. Oh, this is so cute. So this is one of their smart dolls. I like this a lot. So this here is a sticker. This is an art piece that they did, I think. You can also buy a shirt of this very cool, like, holographic sticker. So this first one is just a chain with a cool stone on it. I liked this one a lot because there was different variations of the stones, so I could buy multiples of them, and then like different girls can wear them and like match but not be exactly the same. But it comes on a nice long chain, has the pendant on the end, which you can see from both sides, and it's a clasp in the back, which is amazing because you don't have to take off the doll's head to put it on. Next we have, this was like a bracelet necklace combo. I just really like these beads that they use. So it comes with 3 bracelets, which you can stack. It'll look really cool. And then a shorter necklace. It's almost like a choker that has a little jewel in the front. And then these are the eyes that I purchased. I kind of was thinking, I have a blue Chitose who has pink hair. And I was thinking, like, I love the blue and pink look together. I was like, what if she has pink eyes as well? So I bought some of these. I like these a lot. Like, the pink is just pink enough. It's not like crazy hot pink or anything. It's like pretty subtle. Here we have the second bag. And like I said with this necklace, I wanted to get 2 of the different styles so that 2 of the girls could wear them together and like kind of match. This one is like a seafoam green stone. See, so like it'll be cool to have 2 girls wearing these. And then the last is a cute one that I thought would be fun to put on the girls whenever they wear like bright clothes or like party stuff. I don't know. It's this adorable pink like gummy bear necklace. This one comes on a shorter chain, so it's going to be higher up. So yeah, that was it. I'm going to go ahead and put the necklaces on and take some video of that. And then also I'm going to put these eyes into Chitose and show you guys. So be sure to stick around at the end to watch those. Be sure you check out Red Panda Co on YouTube and their shop on Etsy. The links will be down in the description. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.